This is an experiment going on. This is a potato which started growing in the in our refrigerator. So I had bought and planted all my potatoes already in my container garden, and I have hard clay soil in my yard lawn. I cannot plant it and get a harvest out of it, I think, because the soil is so hard. So what I'm doing is I have these bags, and basically I left them to get some leaf mulch, and let's see if they grow in leaves or not. I've seen in the video like people have successfully grown potatoes in hay or straws. So let's see what happens. Hazan, give me that.